Please listen carefully. The alerts that is included here will not be repeated twice at the same time. The another alert will be issued after 30 minutes. Please refrain from eating foods that is not yours, especially in the refrigerator. We require you to ask for additional information about the food that you're going to eat without a permission to the owner of that food. Please stay calm. There is some deaths occurred at some parts of the Philippines because of eating foods that is not theirs, especially the food that is sealed in the refrigerator. It happens to be that the food they ate has a disease transferred from the owner because of the saliva transferred to the food. Additional information will be issued within 24 hours. Again, please refrain and stop from eating foods that is not yours, especially the foods that is sealed in the refrigerator. It is because sometimes the foods that you'll eat is being observed by the owner, or much worse, there are some possibilities that you'll be transmitted a disease through food. The sentence, "the foods that is sealed in the refrigerator," is repeated many times. Please stop. This is for your own safety. You have been warned, and your life depends on it.